cooking. Not really though. But then most of the time I'm not really cooking on my own. Most of the time I'm just like trying food. So this is one of those times when I try food. I'm not really cooking at all today. Anyways, a long time ago I did one about like gelato and like which was the best gelato and stuff. And today I had an idea. I'm like, I'm gonna go buy like crazy wacky ice cream flavor combinations and then I'm gonna like try to see which brand has the best crazy cool ice cream. Go to the Jewels over there. As you'll notice, it's all Ben & Jerry's. Because you go to like your Breyers, your Haagen-Dazs, they might have like chocolate chip cookie dough. They might have like chocolate chip mint. They might have like one thing with one thing, basically. You know, they don't have a lot of combinations. So I'm like, oh. So I just got a bunch of Ben & Jerry's here. We're going to see which Ben & Jerry's I like the best. This one I'm a little concerned about because it has like a commercial tie-in that I think the original Ben & Jerry's, I don't know if they would like this so much. But it's on the list. First up is Ben & Jerry's Brownie Batter Core. Chocolate and vanilla ice cream with fudge brownie and brownie batter core. Right there. We're gonna try each one 2 ways. I should probably get more than one spoon. I should probably have a spoon for each one. Now, one spoon's gonna have to be a giant spoon because I gotta do dishes, I guess. So here goes. This is the brownie batter core. Oh man, this looks good. Oh, that ice cream is so good. Ice cream is just amazing. Whoever invented ice cream is my hero. Now I'm gonna try to put a little bit of whipped cream on it. Now this kind of ready whipped, there's not the best ice cream in the world, you know? And the best kind of whipped cream in the world. But it's just so much more fun than the kind of whipped cream you drink out of the scoopers, you know? So now I put on some ready whip here. Mmm. Even better. What are you gonna do? Next up is the Tonight Dough. Get it? Dough. Like dough instead of show. So this is caramel chocolate ice cream with chocolate chip swirls. Guys, the chocolate chip cookie dough. Peanut butter cookie dough. That's a lot of doughs going on there. Now look at this. Look at all the stuff that's in here. Looks like a slice of a hot dog right there. You know, one time I heard Ben & Jerry interviewed. The real Ben & Jerry, not the corporate clowns who run the place now. But the real Ben & Jerry. And those guys said, every time you take a skip at Ben & Jerry's, you should always get a little treat. That's very good. Peanut butter. When that peanut butter hits, it adds a little special flavor to it. I dig that. Yum. Also, you'll notice, like with the gelato one, I like to let my ice cream get a little bit melty before I eat it. Get a little less brain freezy. Very good. Very good. Next up is Half Baked. This is chocolate and vanilla ice cream made with gobs of chocolate chip cookie dough and fudge brownies. Boom. I used the big spoon. Mmm. Whoa. That's a dream, man. That's a real dream. Made it a little bit better. The whipped cream. Last up. How about this one? This guy thought it was crazy. It's cannoli ice cream. So basically, it's vanilla ice cream with cannoli stuff inside. Got a little cannoli shell, a little cannoli filling. I don't know. Seems insane to me. I don't know if it's a thing, but there it is. It's a little weird. I'll tell you the weirdest thing about it is there's kind of like an after scent about it. It kind of rushes your nasal passages. I don't really know how to describe. Not a big fan. Not a big fan. So, which one is the best one? Well, I have to try the Half Baked and the brownie core again. Let's see here. Well, it's getting really melty now. Okay. Okay. We have a winner. The brownie batter core, Ben & Jerry's, is your best. Ice cream with all kinds of junk in it. Right there.